Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve an issue with Steam. This says that it's failed to start a game, and in parentheses this app already running. See the Steam support side for more information. I recommend doing would be to save and close out of any open programs and applications including Steam. Guys, go ahead and go to taskbar. Go ahead and end task over here, guys. In any application, any programs including Steam opened here, you just want to right click and end task everything and close out of here. After doing that, then go ahead and restart your PC, guys. Sometimes simply restart can fix the issue, guys. After restart your PC, go ahead and relaunch the Steam. That should have resolved the problem. You should good to go, guys, after restarting your PC. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial is definitely helpful, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.